Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new spreadsheet on your Excel. So here I'm using Office 365 and we'll be creating a new spreadsheet on Excel. So here I've logged on to my Outlook account and here I've got access to free online apps, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I'll go ahead and open up Excel. Now to create a new spreadsheet, go ahead and click on New Workbook. And as you can see, this is very similar to a Microsoft Excel standalone application which is installed on a machine. And you can basically create your spreadsheet here. And there you go. That is how to create a new spreadsheet on Excel.
Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. And